Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fitbit Charge 6 for beginners. First, ensure your new device is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the Fitbit application from your phone's app store and create a free account. Finally, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Charge 6 with your smartphone via Bluetooth. This crucial first step connects your tracker to your personal health data. Navigating your Charge 6 is intuitive. Swipe up from the clock face to see your daily stats like steps and calories. Swipe down for quick settings such as Do Not Disturb. Swiping left or right lets you access apps like exercise, alarms, and timers. A single tap on the screen selects an option or provides more information. To quickly return to your main clock face, simply press the physical button on the side of your device. Your Charge 6 is a powerful health companion. It automatically tracks your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned, providing a clear picture of your activity. It also continuously monitors your heart rate, giving you insights into your cardiovascular health. When you exercise, select a specific workout mode to record detailed metrics. Furthermore, wear it to bed to monitor your sleep stages and receive a helpful sleep score, aiding your rest. Personalize your Charge 6 to fit your style and needs. You can easily change your clock face through the Fitbit application, choosing from many designs. Stay connected by setting up notifications for calls, text messages, and other applications directly on your wrist. Adjust the screen brightness for optimal viewing in any light, and customize the vibration intensity for alerts. These simple adjustments enhance your overall user experience with the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.